What's this? Whoa. It says that JC Valley is responsible for the pollution.
Those are Michael's notes. I finally have them.
Does it have any information about my dad?
It does. If I can reach out to my JC Valley informant, maybe I can finally learn the truth about the pollution. I'm so close to fulfilling my promise to Michael.
Your JC Valley informant. Do you mean Ian? You talked to him on the phone earlier, right?
Ah, crap. You heard that? I was trying to snag an inside source and wound up with him. He should be coming through with some key intel soon. Listen, this info on Ian is strictly confidential. Got it? If Dr. Robbins were to find out...
Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Not even my dad.
I appreciate that.
What did you promise Matthew's dad?
Michael and I made a promise to each other 5 years ago. I told him I'd discover the source of the pollution. He told me he'd re-establish his company. Your father didn't want to face you until he had earned back what he had lost. I mean, clearly, to have left you after you'd already lost so much. But now, Michael is...
He's what? Where's my dad? Tell me, please.
Just tell him, Greg. Matthew deserves to know.
Michael is in the hospital. He worked tirelessly, saving up money to reunite with you. But there was an accident at his work site. He's in a coma.
No, it can't be true.
Speaking. Really? Understood. I'll head out right away. So, Matthew, do you believe in miracles? It would seem your father has woken up.
That's great, Matthew. Your mom and Kelly must have been looking out for him.
Yeah. I want to go to the hospital right now.
Of course. I'll take you.
Look out for Matthew, Greg.
I'll keep him safe.
Thank you, Ash.
You don't have to thank me. I know just how you feel.
Mm-hmm.
See you later? Oh, wait! Take this.
My watch.
I picked it up off the ground.
My dad gave it to me. I thought I lost it.
Yeah, I know. I saw what it says on the back.
To my dear son, Matthew.
You should go! You have a lot of catching up to do.
All right.
Good luck, Matthew.
Ashley.
Ryan?
Dr. Robbins asked me to find you.
Really?
He became worried when you didn't answer the phone in his cottage.
Oh, right.
There's something he wishes to talk to you about. Dr. Robbins is in the lab. You should go see him.
I've got a few things I want to ask him, too. Thanks.
Well then, shall we go?
Oh? Oh! So this is JC Valley? Where'd he go? Oh well. Guess I'll head in. I was here with Mom. She brought me to JC Valley. She kept it a secret from Dad. What were you doing all those years ago, Mom?
I've been waiting for you, Ashley.
Oh, hey. We met at the campsite, didn't we?
You remember me. Hello again. I'm Sophia Callahan. I'll take you to Dr. Robbins. He's down in the lab in sub-basement 2.
The lab's underground?
Indeed it is. Go ahead onto the elevator.
So...
Yes.
Did the trouble with the security system get sorted out?
Yes. Dr. Robbins fixed it. He is quite brilliant.
Right. He always acts so weird around me, but people here have so much respect for him.
Sorry, Ashley. I'd rather avoid being so brutish. But there's someone who'd like to meet you.
Dr. Robbins, it's an emergency. Security on the underground storage has been deactivated.
What?
Sophia's ID is in the logs.
So it was her all along? What could she be after? Gina, call Rex. I'll check with Ian to make sure everything is okay.
Was I asleep? She knocked me out. Oh. Oh, why did she do that? And where am I? Oh. I've been here. Mom looked worried. She was talking with a man in a lab coat. What do they do here? Dad? Huh? What's that? There's something on the monitor. Regarding the stored liquid memory? What the heck is liquid memory? It's kind of dense, but if I'm reading this correctly, this liquid memory is made from the water in Lake Juliet. So if I have this right, the pollution in Lake Juliet is actually liquid memory? Um... Ah. It's not opening. Am I locked in here? The RAS is responding. I knew it. It's the same as the security device at Lake Juliet. I'll try using the DAS. It opened! Am I gonna have to sneak past, like, guards or something? Guess I'm clear. The bottom of the lake! The water looks so different here. Huh. My mom's pendant. There's water glowing inside it. Mom, help keep me safe, all right? Lead me to Dad. Yeah. Looks clear. Dad? Hmm? Huh. Wow. Someone's coming. Oh. Aren't you? What's going on? What are you planning on doing with me?
You're right, you're right. I was too rough. Sorry.
You're working with Sophia, aren't you?
I understand why you're suspicious, but I'm going to need you to trust me, okay? What are you doing here?
My dad asked me to come.
Dr. Robbins called for you? First I'm hearing of this.
Ryan came and told me.
Ryan? Ryan who?
What do you mean, Ryan who? The Ryan that works here?
That's really strange. I need to look into this. Either way, this person told you to come here? It's dangerous. You need to stay put.
What's my dad doing?
He's working with Ian, our system admin. They're trying to keep Sophia out of our data.
Tell me what's going on.
Some bad stuff is going down right now. Sophia is trying to steal data from the lab.
What?
Come here.
What is this?
It's a direct call system that connects all the rooms in the lab. If it's still working, then... Ian! Wait here. I'm going to Ian's office. Stay here where it's safer.
Huh?